Are you stuck choosing between BuddyBoss and BuddyPress? You've probably spent hours Googling this, and you still don't have a clear answer. I get it. Because honestly, most comparisons out there are either outdated or written by people trying to sell you something. In this video, I'm going to give you the honest answer. No fluff, no agenda. Just here's what each one does, here's who it's for, and here's what I would choose if I were in your position. Let's get into it. BuddyPress is a free open source WordPress plugin. It's been around since 2008, and it turns any WordPress website into a social community platform. With BuddyPress, your users can have profiles, they can send messages to each other, they can join groups, they can follow activity feeds. And the best part? It's completely free. Now, BuddyPress by itself looks pretty basic, but with the right setup and the right add-ons, it can be incredibly powerful. We've built full community platforms using BuddyPress, platforms that look and feel like premium products at a fraction of the cost. BuddyBoss is a premium product. It's actually built on top of BuddyPress. So at its core, it's the same technology. But BuddyBoss adds a lot on top of that. A modern, polished theme. A dedicated app builder so your community has its own mobile app. Better onboarding flows. Let me break this down simply. If design and mobile app matter a lot to you, BuddyBoss saves you time. You pay for the convenience. If you are budget conscious, BuddyPress gives you 80% of what BuddyBoss offers. You just need someone who knows how to set it up properly. And that's actually where most people get stuck, not the plugin choice. The setup. Who should choose what? Okay? Let me make this simple for you. Choose BuddyBoss if you have a budget. You want a mobile app for your community. You're running an online course with LearnDash and want deep integration. You want things to look great without a lot of customization. Choose BuddyPress if you are on a tight budget. You want full control and flexibility over your community. You already have a developer or agency who knows BuddyPress. You are building a community as part of a larger site, like a directory, membership site, or e-commerce store. Here's the truth most people don't tell you. BuddyBoss is built on BuddyPress. So anything BuddyBoss can do, BuddyPress can do too. It just needs the right configuration and the right plugins. The budget reality. Let's talk money for a second. BuddyBoss platform, $299 per year. BuddyBoss mobile app, starting at $99 per month, plus hosting, domain, other plugins. You're easily looking at $1,500 to $2,000 just to get started. With BuddyPress, you can build the same community features for under $300 per year, sometimes less. Now, I want to be fair here. BuddyBoss is a great product. We actually recommend it to clients who have the budget for it. We are even BuddyBoss affiliates. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. But if budget is a concern, BuddyPress is not a compromise. It's a smart choice. What about agencies? One more thing I want to address. A lot of people come to us after paying an agency to build their BuddyBoss site, and they're not happy. The site is half finished, or it doesn't work the way they expected, or the agency disappeared after payment. Here's what I've learned from building 50 plus community sites. The plugin you choose matters less than the team building it. BuddyBoss with a bad agency equal to bad result. BuddyPress with an experienced team. Amazing result. So before you pick the plugin, pick the right people. So to summarize, BuddyBoss. Great product, premium price, best for course communities and those who want a mobile app. BuddyPress? Free, flexible, powerful when set up right, best for budget-conscious builders. If you want to go with BuddyBoss, I've put our affiliate link in the description. You get the same price, and it helps support this channel. If you need help building your community site, whether BuddyBoss or BuddyPress, you can reach out to us at BuddyDevelopers. Link is in the description. If your community site also needs a directory like a listing site or local business directory, make sure you check out our other channel, WP GeoBuddy. Link is in the description. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. It really helps this channel grow. I'll see you in the next one.